Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in 2023.
Sam!
And now, here come the Colorado Buffalo!
Pregame Show, baby!
David, what a day.
Yeah, I mean, beautiful day. This is Boulder right here.
I agree. I mean, for it to be snowing, how beautiful is the snow?
I mean, from a guy living in Green Bay, Wisconsin, I'm pretty used to it at this point.
Living and working, Green Bay
Yes, sir.
Packers, man. You've left your fingerprints on this program, and these guys are standing on your shoulders. How excited are you about the future of this program under Coach Ryan?
I mean, this is what this place needed. It needed that spark. It needed that type of energy, and I think Dion brings that. I mean, Dion's that guy for a reason. He's been that guy for a long time. So it's cool to see him kind of be infused with a little bit of my history, kind of coming back and being now the head coach here.
Yeah.
So I'm just excited.
And look at this crowd, man.
Yeah, you don't get this at any spring games. I'll tell you what, it wasn't like this when I was here.
A spring game that wasn't free with the snow. Unexpected snow. I'm gonna call it a snowstorm. It's not a storm, but unexpected snow.
This ain't
it's
nothing
not a
yet.
storm. And it ain't an empty seat in here.
No, this is very impressive. This is actually probably more full than most of the games I played when I was here.
Hey, as Coach Prime says, man, we coming.
Yeah, we coming.
Appreciate you, big man. Yes, sir. Coach, first spring game in Colorado.
Yeah, beautiful, amazing. Look at I'm sure you captured the stadium. The fans came out to support us. Inclement weather, but they don't care. They came out to support us, and that means a lot to me.
And they came out to see you, and you brought the folks out.
They came to see me. They came to see us.
Yeah, they came to see us. You're exactly right. Travis has done his thing. Shadur has done his thing. JB from Jackson State has done his thing.
Yeah.
How does it make you feel to see JSU guys having that impact on this stage?
I care about the whole entire team. I feel like we're doing some wonderful things collectively,
Yes,
not
sir.
just the guys who came over with me, but totally we're doing some wonderful things. The kicking game, the field goal guys, the punt team, the kickoffs were superb. We're doing a good job. We're proud of it.
What are you looking for in this second half from a spring game?
Consistency, a continuation. I ain't seen my son in 3 days. I ain't seen him in 3 days. I ain't seen him in a minute.
I'm still your favorite son, though, right?
I don't know about
right?
that. I ain't seen him in 3 days. We're looking for consistency, and we're going to come back out and pick up right where we left off.
We coming.
Because that's on us. You can say what the you want. I don't give a when he's back to tapping the ball, that ain't us. That's the you did last year. And I ain't doing it. You got a chance to get back on an offside and you look crazy. It should never happen. Did I tell you they're going to double clap you?
It's fun, eh? Yeah. It's fun, eh? Yeah. Oh, I love this. I'm proud of y'all, man. I'm proud of y'all. I don't know how it's going to end, but I'm proud of y'all. So if you go out there and go anywhere in life with the same passion and consistency and intensity that you just displayed, you're going to make it. I'm very proud of y'all, man. But guess what we got to do? Finish. What we got to do? Finish. What we got to do? Finish. We're going to finish strong. We're not going to finish with a period. We're going to finish with an exclamation mark. That means making a statement. Some of you may not be happy with your production thus far, but you still got time. I want you to finish. I don't give a damn if it's 2 plays, 1 play, 3 play, whatever it is. I want you to finish strong. You got that? Yes, sir. I'm proud of y'all, man. Proud of y'all. Proud of y'all. Proud of y'all. Proud of y'all. The only thing I'm not proud of, extra point field goal. 2 times straight, we're missing the ball. We can't do that. We go over this stuff too much to be missing somebody. That means you're not paying attention. You're not on your job. And we can't do that. Little things like that will cost you. Now, we got to block, scoop and score, whatever. Touchdown, right? Because it was confusion to begin with. We're better than that, fellas. So let's take care of the little things. The little things turn into big things. I am proud of y'all. Finish on 3. 1, 2, 3. Finish. Let's do it. Here we go. Let's go.
Two.